Okay, hi all. Good morning. So, uh, first of all, my voice is audible and screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, thank you. So actually, we are moving our platform to Graphy. Okay, Graphy is a learning management system. So now we'll be teaching on you all on Graphy. So this is very simple. Don't think it is complicated. It is like Zoom only because at the back end it works on the Zoom only. Okay. So today I will give you a demo that as a student, how you have to log into Graphy. And if you have any question, you can ask it. Okay. Hope it is fine. Shall we start?
Yes.
Oh, so I am okay. I will share this link in your group. Okay. And I will request Mansoor, you are ready, right?
Yeah, Tanvi sir, I'm ready.
Okay. I have shared one link.
Okay.
Now I want you to share screen and
Hmm.
launch this link on Chrome.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Make sure that your personal or confidential data should not be visible. If it is there, first of all, please close.
Okay, Tanvi.
Take your time, not an issue. I will give you access to share a screen. So there is a new. I have made you host. So now you can share your screen. At the bottom, you will find an option share screen in the green color.
Yes.
Is that? Okay. Sure. Good.
So my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, it is visible. Go to that site. No, not that site. Click on this. Good. So first of all, hold on. So is it visible to everyone so far?
Yes,
Yes,
Tanvi.
sir.
I have shared one link. So Mansoor has just clicked on that link and he got access to this page. Okay. Now, after here, you can click on this, click on that SQL logo. Click here. Okay, see,
Okay.
he has clicked on the SQL logo. Now you're getting option to buy this. Oh, okay. So here you have to pay 49 rupees. So what I'm planning is we have close to 40 participants. Okay. When you will pay 49 rupees, either we will refund you or what we are planning is this 49 rupees, approx 10% of this will be used by this platform. Okay. Or the remaining amount, what we will be getting, we are planning that we will help some needy people. That is what we are planning with the amount. But we will refund if you want. So we can discuss that, not an issue. Okay. So can you click on buy now, Mansoor?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now enter your name, your proper email ID, which is active. This
Hmm.
is active.
Yeah, yeah, it is right.
Okay, give your phone number. Okay, fine. Karnataka and fine. Okay.
So shall I click on buy now?
Click on buy now. Okay. Now after this, you will get multiple payment. Proceed to payment. Mm, You will get multiple payment options. I think you all are familiar with this. Okay.
Hmm.
So Mansoor, can you stop sharing and can you make the payment? I will refund this amount. Okay, stop sharing and make the payment.
Okay.
You make the payment, and once the payment is done, then again, please start sharing this screen.
Okay, thank you.
Hmm.
Just give me 5 minutes.
No issues.
And where we can get this URL?
I have shared that in our group.
Okay.
Will we use the download? What is the purpose for this function?
I will let you know. Just give me 1 minute.
Before the class only we have to do that.
Sorry.
Before the class only we have to do the payment or matlab,
No. I will tell you everything. Just give me 2 minutes. I will explain everything. Let him complete first. Have you done the payment? Mansoor, have you done the payment?
Yeah, I'm done.
So now can you please share the screen?
Yes.
Go to that. This is the one, right?
Yes.
Then you have to sign up via Google.
Okay.
So he has done the payment. Now it will ask for a sign. Okay, so you can sign using any ID. Okay. But you have made now see you're getting the option of a start now, right? At the bottom. You
Yes.
don't click on that. Don't click on that. You're getting this option,
Yes,
right?
yes, I'm getting there.
So is this entire process clear to everyone so far? Now, if you have any question, you ask me.
It's yeah, clear.
See, I will repeat. I have shared the link, okay? And that link is in the group. You all could see that link?
Yes.
Yes, if you want, you can do it simultaneously. You can see that link. You just have to click on that link. Okay. Then you will get this logo, SQL logo. You can see, no, July weekdays batch SQL. So just click on that anywhere. Okay. So then it will ask for your details, and you have to go for the payment page, and you have to make payment of ₹49. Okay. And then once you will make the payment, you will get this page again. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Any question, anyone?
Tanvir, I have done the payment and I'm on on that page. I'm unable
Okay.
to see any link. Is it anything I need to open here?
Okay. Mansoor, can you stop sharing? Okay. May I know who Aparna or Kalpana? Who has
Kalpana.
Kalpana? Okay, Kalpana. I am giving you presentation access. Can you share your screen?
Okay, 1 month.
One. Mansoor, can you give me that? Okay, just a minute. Just. I need that access. Host access.
Still it is coming host disabled.
Mansoor, can you give me the host access? Because you are
Yeah.
the host now.
Yeah, 1 second.
Can you make me as a host?
Sure.
I used to tell that option, but I don't think option. Okay, okay, fine. Say, became host.
Yes, you are the host.
Yeah, Kalpana, I am making you host. Okay.
Okay.
You are the host now. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Mm, okay. Fine. So you clicked on that class has started, right? That is you are getting live class has not yet started. So
Yes.
when I will start the class now, then you will see the screen here. Okay. I will start the class now.
Okay.
Okay. So when I will start the class, you will be directed to the Zoom page. Let me start the class. 1 minute. Give me. Okay. But before that, I have to stop this Zoom. Okay. Then I can start that class. But this is the process. Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry,
It's very
I joined late.
sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, Namrata, tell me.
Yeah, I just joined this call right
Okay.
now.
Okay. No issues. You got the link which I have shared in the group.
Yes.
Okay, no issues. We will repeat it. Just give me 1 minute. So do one thing.
Tanvir, small query.
Uh-huh.
Should I enroll that for now? Like, I mean, should I enroll right now for that class? Or else we can
Yeah.
listen that in the Zoom?
No, right now today I will take in the Zoom only. Okay.
Okay.
This today's class, we will take in the Zoom only how we are taking. Yesterday, how we have taken. Okay.
Okay.
But after today's class, the link which I have shared, I will request everyone to log into that link, okay, and make a payment of 49 rupees. Okay, I will refund that. Don't worry. Okay, I will
No issue.
refund that to everyone. So log into that, and when you will make the payment of 49 rupees, then you will get an option. Okay, 1 minute. Who has asked Aparna, right? Aparna, I am giving you. No, Aparna, no. Who has asked that? Not able to understand. Bhavna, correct?
It was Kalpana, I think.
No, after that, Bhavna also had told. No, who has told that it is not visible? Some problem was there. Someone has told. Namrata has told. Who has told? Someone has told. No. Okay, who wants to try one more time? Thanks.
I can do
Anyone else?
I have already
Aparna. Oh,
yeah, you can share the screen with me. Like I can do that.
sure. I'm making you host. You please share your screen. So Aparna will show now that how she has done. Please share your screen, Aparna.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll do that.
And you could see Aparna at the bottom record option is there. No, can you click on record to the cloud?
Just a minute, yes.
Like this.
Is my screen is visible?
No, you have to start a screen sharing. At the bottom, could you see share screen green color?
Yeah,
That is there.
I have done. Let me check. Is anyone sharing the screen already? Because it is showing one participant have already been shown or something.
Change the host, please. Once the host will change the movement.
I think Aparna, you are the host, so you could share now.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah,
now.
we can
Yes,
see
yes.
Aparna.
Okay. So yeah, I think you have purchased this course, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you have purchased it. So now you're seeing the option. Start now option is there at the bottom.
Yeah, there.
Okay. Click on that start now.
Okay.
So now this the live class has ended. Okay, now go to that fourth option, SQL Graphy demo. Click on that SQL Graphy demo. Yes. So when I will start this class now, then you will be able to see, and then the interface will be same as the Zoom only, because at the back end this Graphy has integrated with Zoom. This is the step. When I will start the class at my end, no, now you will be able to view the you can attend the classes.
So
This is the step.
from there only we have to see the recordings as well, right?
Like once the class is over, it will take 2 hours, and then the recording automatically here you will get the recording. It will be visible here.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
So every day, same link would be shared, or directly you have to come to the website here? itself.
Directly you have to click on the link, because once you have purchased the course, so that step is over. Directly you have to click on the link and it will give you that start the class. Click on that, that's all.
Okay.
Okay. So today I will request everyone to do this activity, purchase the course, give your register yourself, and then from tomorrow we will start class on this platform. Any question, anyone?
No.
The previous
sir.
recordings would be also available here. Would be
Sorry, Moin,
recorded.
can you repeat?
Previous classes recordings.
We will make all these things will be accessible here. We will try to upload all the recordings of the previous classes here. 2 or 3 classes are there, no? And if
Yes.
it is not working, suppose if it is not working, then you have that YouTube link, right? You can refer that. It will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, not an issue.
It's like no further classes recording will be shared on YouTube, right?
Yeah, everything will be here at the same page. You don't have to go to YouTube now. Once the class is over, just wait for 2 to 3 hours, and then the recording will be automatically uploaded here, and you can refer here. And all the recordings will be in the one single platform here only.
Okay.
Payment also, but again, payment mode will come on my screen.
Sorry, Abdul, what happened?
I will already payment, but again, same page will show on my screen. Logo of.
Okay, I will look into that. I will look into that. You have done the payment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you share the screenshot. I will look into that. Okay. So shall we start the class now?
Yes, please, Tanvi.
So I will request everyone to perform this activity today, and from tomorrow we will take the classes on graphic. Okay.
Hello, sir.
And if
Hello, sir.
yeah, Mansura.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Please, I just joined the class, so I don't understand how to get to this place, sir.
I will let you know. I will let you know. Okay, I will connect with you after the class, and I will
All
let
right,
you know.
sir. All right,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no issues. Thank you. So now you can stop sharing.
Oh.
Okay, fine. Now let me share my screen. Recording is in progress now. Let it recording is happening. Let me share my screen now. Okay. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes. it is.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. What happened? Okay, so yesterday I think we're discussing about order by, right?
Yes, Tanvi.
Okay, so before I proceed, do you have any question?
I have a question, Tanvir. So I believe you have discussed yesterday order by value or order by name.
Mhm,
So when we are
mhm.
going for order by name, and suppose we have a name Ankit and Abhishek, okay? So is that is getting executed by, like only first letter ASCII value, or like they're going to the second letter ASCII value as well? Like how is it working? I'm a little confused.
First of all, it will check the first character. Okay, if the first character is same, then it will check the second character.
Okay, and if we have like 5 name and all of them are from different alphabets, so it will just go by checking the first character.
Yes, first character. If first character is same, then it will check the second character.
Okay, it's similar like how was the ascending descending order by working?
Correct. Yes, like that only.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no issues. Hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Okay. Tell me, do you have any question either from assignment or from the concept wise?
Yes,
Uh,
Tanvir.
I
I
have
have a one
one.
question.
Well,
In the create insert data type
create
solution.
inserters and just
Yeah. Question number 9.
just a
Hmm.
minute, just a minute. Only hold, let me open that.
No, no problem. I
Create,
will share that message in the Zoom.
create insert, no?
Yeah, wait.
This one. Tell me which question number you're telling.
Question
Here,
number
some
9.
of the solutions are incorrect. Okay.
Question number 9.
Number 9. This one, right?
Yeah, in the years of experience, it's a integer, right?
You don't refer this solution. Ignore it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, my question is, if I put
Hmm.
years of experience 2.4 means it only considered as 2. If I put
That
3,
is the float. That is the floating point. Okay. So if you have data which has a decimal, okay, then don't use int. For that you have to write float. We will discuss it. I have not covered this. We will discuss in detail. But if you have a data which has decimal, you have to give the data type as float.
what means
If it away,
it will be give the same result, right?
it will give the same. If you will store 2.5, it will give you 2.5 only, or 3.4, it will give you 3.4. Okay.
Yeah, great.
Any other question?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one doubt. I'm still, sir, not able to understand this one. Why order of execution is important? And
Why order of execution is important?
important in the sense like why we should know that thing.
Okay.
And if suppose, sir, we know that thing, then if we are making a query, any query, so how should we exactly think about the query? Matlab, like you said, if from is executed first, so should we write thing like that only, like from table, then this one? So the approach while writing the query. So that thing I wanted to know.
Okay. Anyone who wants to answer this question, anyone? Why I am teaching by order of execution, why I am teaching a step by step one each and every statement, how it is getting executed. Any idea how this will be useful? Anyone who wants to share?
It's a flow of
Otherwise, I will
execution.
explain.
It's a flow of execution.
Okay. See, where is that order of execution? See, this is the order of execution. It means this is the order. This is the order which your SQL engine follows while executing the query. When you're running a query and when you click on the run button, no, so internally lot of process happens, and your engine will execute the query in different format. Like suppose I have taken this example, this one. Suppose this query, right? So we are starting this query with which keyword? With select keyword, no? No. We are writing from select keyword, right? As a user, we are writing the query, we are starting with select, right?
Yes.
But if the engine will also execute from select, so how engine will know what I have to select, right? So first of all, engine have to pick the table, no? That from which we want the data.
Yes.
Are you understanding?
Yes.
So that is why the order of execution, how the engine executes your query, is different than how we write the query. Engine will first of all execute the from condition. From means, first of all, it will pick the table from which it has to fetch the data. So that is the first of all from. Then when I will teach you joins, I will explain you about this. Then it will go to where filter condition, then group by and all those things. So the way how your SQL engine executes the query and the way how you write the query, they both are different. Is that clear? Now the question is why it is important for you to know this, because when you have complex queries, complex business requirements, so you should know that when you're writing the query, from which table you're fetching the data, how the transformation logic is working, right? So right now, as of now, the queries are simple. So you might be thinking that it is simple, we can write and we can understand. But when we will mature with the course, you will see few complicated questions. And then you will realize that, oh, if I know this flow, it is easy for me to execute. Oh, is this clear, Mohit?
Yeah, sir, fine.
So I will tell to everyone, like I know, like I am trying to teach you each and everything in detail, like how this is getting executed and all those things. So at a certain point of time, you might think it is boring or tedious or complex, but this will help you actually. That is why I am teaching in detail. I could tell you directly that this is the query, this is the output, but this will not help you in the long run because ultimately you have to write complex business queries, right? Yesterday, one of my student, oh, she called me and she told like she got 6 offer letters in hand. So next week, I have asked her to take a session Sunday 7 to 8 in the evening. Okay, I will give that meeting invite to you guys as well. She will share her what I can say interview experience, and she told like totally SQL was responsible. Like she was able to answer all the questions, and that was the deciding factor, right? So that is why SQL is in huge demand. But for that, you should be able to write complex queries, and that will happen if you know each and every nut and bolt of the system. You should know each and every keyword, how it is getting executed, what is the significance. So that's the reason I'm going a step by step, and I'm teaching you each and every keyword, the meaning of the query, and how it is getting executed. Are you finding that complicated to understand, guys?
No.
No, sir.
That is clear, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it is clear.
It's
Okay,
still
fine.
okay.
Okay. Any other question? From
Sir,
assignment, do you have any question?
as soon as we mature in the course, so
Hmm.
this order of execution, we don't have to rectify it, no? Like
No, no, no,
automatically.
no, no. Nothing you had to do the ratification. Don't have to by heart anything in SQL. Okay, like this order of execution, what I'm showing, don't by heart it. Automatically, this order of execution at least 100 times. At least, if you want, you can count it at least 100 or 200 times. We will discuss in this course. So by end of the course, automatically you will understand this. Don't by heart anything. Okay. Everything you have to understand how it is happening, how it is working, what is the reason. And you must ask question, challenge me. I will be happy if you will challenge me that no, Tanvir, I don't agree with this solution. No, this is correct. You should challenge, and then the session will be more interactive. I'll be happy to take that. Okay.
Sure.
Any other question? From assignment, do you have any question, anyone? No. Fine then. We'll see further. Okay. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay.
No, no, no.
So
Your screen is not visible.
No, your skin is not
visible.
visible, Vishal.
Just a minute. What happened here? Understand. Okay. Hope it is visible now.
Yes, yes.
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 Okay, good. So I will take two examples, Nepal and China. So we're discussing about this right yesterday, how to sort and all those things. And please revise the class before attending the next class. So now we're discussing about this country table, correct?
Yes.
You remember, guys, yesterday's discussion?
Yes.
Okay. This was our country table. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. At the level was done. Oh my God, saying, you know, wait, country. Okay, so this is the data. Okay. Now here, suppose in this data, I want to display Russia on top. Are you getting my question? I want to display Russia
Russia
on top. Then what I have to do? Order by case when name equals
Russia,
Russia, then one plus
Else
two
two.
n,
And
right? We have discussed this yesterday, and I hope you all remember it. I'm executing this query. Please check dot. Do we have Russia on top?
yes.
Okay. Now let's try to understand this query. I will quickly recap it. I know most of you know this, but still. So first of all, which keyword will be executed here?
From
from will get it.
From will be executed, right? What is the meaning of from?
Select
From
the
which
columns from the country table.
From country means, first of all, search the country table from the entire database, right? So this is the country table. From task is over.
yes.
Okay. Now which one next? Order select.
Order
So
by.
select means to select this column we have selected, then order by. What is the task of order by?
Sorting the data.
Sorting the data.
Sorting the data. But here you want to sort data based on certain condition. What is the condition?
Russia.
What is the condition here?
When name equal to Russia.
What is the meaning of this? When name is equal to Russia, then one?
Russia is on top.
No, that is not the meaning.
Keep in bucket one.
Bucket one
Good,
on top.
good. Create a bucket. Create a bucket. And keep Russia in this bucket. And what is the name of this bucket?
Bucket one.
One.
Is this clear?
Yes.
What is the meaning of else two?
If not, it will create in bucket two.
The remaining countries we have
In
to keep in
bucket two.
bucket two. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
So this is bucket two. And this we have all the remaining countries. Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Yes.
So Tanvir, I have a doubt actually.
Yes.
So from that SQL query is there, right? Select star from the country order by case when name equal to Russia, then one else two. So from the order of execution table, we have total 8 or 9, like from join, where, group by, widow. So So I'm able to understand from order by
Mm.
and select. But
Mhm.
case when name equal to those things, what we call?
So actually, good question. So actually, this case is within order by, no, right?
Okay.
This is also a keyword, but this is within order by. So once you will execute order by, then within that this will be executed.
Okay. Like
And
that,
it's not-
how many will be there under order by these type of
Uh,
cases?
in order by, as of now, I'm showing you case only,
Okay.
and this is only used within order by. So down the line, you have many other keywords. One by one, I will show you all those things.
Okay.
Okay. Sometime you will see this case in select. Sometime you will see this case in group by. So when you will execute select, then case will be executed. Now you're using order by, and this case you have written within order by, no? So that's why this case will be executed within order by step. Is that clear?
Tanvir,
One minute,
in
one
the
minute, hold on. Is that clear? Someone has asked this question. Is this clear to you?
Yeah, still bit confusion then actually.
Tell me what is the confusion.
No, how we can understand where we need to use this actually in different
one?
cases. You said right that case.
Ah,
Right now
that
you are raising order by, right? To some
ah,
and also you
ah.
said it may come under select in few instances.
That depends. We will show you all those examples one by one.
Okay.
Because right now we have just started the course. Okay.
Yes.
So many things you will understand when you will get some more maturity with the course. Okay, I will
Yes.
show you one by one all those scenarios that how you can use this case and select. Okay.
Sure.
Next question.
in the bucket 2, these countries are not following any order, right? It's just
Randomly I have kept here because here it was mentioned else too. It means so whatever remaining countries are there apart from Russia, keep it in bucket 2. Randomly I put it here in bucket 2. Randomly, this is pure randomly. Okay, there is no fixed order here as of now. Because have you mentioned anything to keep in a fixed order? No. We just mentioned else too. It means whatever is there apart from Russia, keep that in bucket 2. So apart from Russia, whatever was there, I kept that in bucket 2.
Oh.
Is that clear?
yes.
So now, then after that, we have end. What is the meaning of end? End means we don't have any other condition. So whenever you're writing case or whenever you're using case, please remember this end is mandatory. If you will not write it, it will throw error message. If you want, let me show you this. You see, I will remove end from here. Now you see, I'm executing it. It is throwing error message, no? Missing keyword. That is why end is mandatory. And what is the meaning of end? The meaning of end is there is no more condition. This is the end of condition. Is this clear so far?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now, after the end, have you written anything ascending or descending? I think I have asked a tough question.
No, after end we don't write.
After end, nothing we have written. No. So by default, what is the order of execution?
Will execute in
Ascending.
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 So in ascending order, it will sort the buckets. This is the bucket number 1. This is the bucket number 2. So which bucket you will place first in ascending order, 1 or 2?
1.
One.
1. So this bucket number 1 will be placed on top. Then bucket number 2. This is all we have discussed yesterday, right?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So now, then you will unbox this. So Russia will be here. And all these countries will be here. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
You got Russia on the top.
Yes.
Any question, anyone?
Bucket means like we act that number 1 and 2 is bucket, right? It's not like internally, it's not a bucket.
Internally, it's a segregation of data. I'm
Hmm.
telling it as a bucket to make you understand. But
Yes.
internally as well, the engine will segregate it. It will keep Russia in a one memory, that is the one bucket, and the remaining countries in another memory, that is another bucket.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
And then it will sort the buckets in ascending order. Russia will be on top. Is this clear?
Yes, it is clear, but one more question. So
Yeah.
in this case, we have chosen Russia is on top. And at the same time, I need Sri Lanka in second.
That we will discuss.
Yeah.
At the next scenario, we will discuss it.
Okay, fine.
Is this clear what I am teaching now? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the output. So suppose I have shown this output to my manager and he is happy that, okay, Russia is on top. Okay. But my manager is telling that Tanvir, okay, Russia is on top. But do you think remaining countries are in ascending order?
Mm,
No.
no.
No. Remaining countries are not in ascending order. So now my manager is telling that Tanvir, do one thing. I want Russia to be on top, but the remaining countries in ascending order. Is the requirement clear?
Someone
Yes.
told that
Is the-
after Russia, it will be Sri Lanka, I think.
No, that question I'm not discussing now. That we'll discuss after some time. Now the requirement is we want Russia on top and all other countries in ascending order. This is the new requirement. Is the requirement clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So for that, what I will do in the same query, I will write comma name. And this as well I have discussed yesterday. I'm just revising it. So when I will execute this query, now I'm executing this query. Check the output. Is this output as per the requirement?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
You all agree? You could see Russia on top and all other countries in ascending order.
Yes.
Okay.
Here
Now,
as well, it is taking it by default in ascending.
no, I will discuss it. We'll discuss it. So first of all, from country, right? From country means you will take a copy of this original table. So this is the copy, correct?
Yes.
This is clear. After that, select and then order by. The task of order by is to sort the data. You know this. Then case when name is equal to Russia, then 1. It means we have to keep Russia in bucket 1. So you will get this output. This one, Russia will be in bucket 1. And then you have else 2. Else 2 means all the remaining countries in bucket 2. The remaining countries will be in bucket 2,
Yes.
right? And then end. End means this is the end of condition. Okay. After end, I have given comma, correct?
Yes.
So after end and before comma, I have not given ascending or descending, right? So it means in which order you will sort the buckets?
Buckets in ascending order.
Buckets in ascending order. So we'll keep India on top.
Russia on top.
No, not Russia on top. The bucket number 1 on top, right?
Yeah.
And then bucket number 2. Sorry, I've told India. Sorry. So then bucket number 2 after that, because
Yes.
you're sorting buckets.
Yes.
Hope it is clear so far.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now after this, you have written name here. So try to understand the meaning of this name. Meaning of this name is within each bucket, whatever data you have to sort those data in which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. Because after name, have you mentioned anything ascending or descending?
No.
We have not mentioned, and we have studied by that. We have studied that by default, it is ascending order. So in bucket number 1, you have only Russia. So there is no sense of sorting it. So Russia will be on top. And then the bucket number 2 data, this you will arrange in ascending order. So which one will be displayed first here?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Then
India.
Then Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Sri Lanka and
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. And then United Kingdom. So hope it is clear you're getting the same output. Check this one and this one.
Yes.
Question.
So hope 1 minute. Is this clear first of all?
Yes.
Yes, I'm okay.
Now tell me what question you have.
Like we are applying this case on character words only. Is there anything we can apply this case on values as well?
Values I am not, numbers you are telling.
Oh.
Numbers.
Yes, exactly, numbers.
I started my discussion of order by with numbers only, if you remember. Right?
By value.
You see here, like order by salary. This is salary is numbers only, right?
Okay.
Correct. I started this order by with numbers discussion only. So you go through the recording once you see order by employee ID descending. Employee ID is numbers, no? So you can apply on numbers as well. Go through the recording. Okay, if you're getting confused, let me know. We started with numbers only.
Sure.
Okay. Next question. Do you have any other question? Shall we proceed?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now suppose. Yeah. No new scenarios. I will not address new scenarios. From this, do you have any question? Then you ask. Yeah.
In this query, why use and before the name? And will be the last. And means
And this
condition end.
This
Why
end
use-
is the end of case. Right? This end is the end of case. That is why I have written end here. After this, I have given common name because this I am telling that whatever data you have in each bucket, you sort that in ascending order. So this end is the end of case condition. That is why you have to give end here. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's discuss a new scenario. This is clear to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose my manager told that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you kept Russia on top and you sorted all other countries in ascending order. Now suppose the requirement is, I want to bring Russia on the bottom. Is that clear?
Okay.
I want to display Russia on the bottom. Okay, so for that, what we have to do in this query, question is clear to everyone, no?
Yes.
Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will write like this, or else leave it. I will write here descending. Okay. Let's try to understand this. Now this is the query. Let me run this. This is the output. Just
Yes.
tell me, is this the correct output?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do we have Russia on bottom?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
let's try to understand this query. So first of all, from country, we'll take a copy of the country table. This is the country table. Then select and then order by. Order by means to sort the
Sorting.
data. So then you have written case when name is equal to Russia, then 1. What is the meaning of this? To keep Russia in bucket number
Bucket number 1.
1. So this is the one. So Russia will be in bucket number 1. Then we have written else 2.
In
What
bucket
is the
2.
meaning of else 2? It
Remaining
means the
data.
remaining
Remaining in the
countries in
bucket two.
bucket number 2. The remaining countries will keep in bucket number 2, right?
Yes.
Clear? Okay, then we have written and. The meaning of this and is we don't have any other condition. This is the last condition, right? This is the
Yes.
meaning of end. After end, what you have written?
DS. Sending.
Descending.
DESC. It means descending. It means you want to sort these buckets in
In
which order?
descending order. Descending
It's
order.
In
Descending order.
descending order. So which bucket we will keep on top?
Second bucket.
Second bucket.
Bucket number 2 will be on top, right? Bucket number 2 will be on top. Then bucket number 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, now here have I mentioned to sort the data within each bucket?
No.
No.
I have not mentioned, right? I have not mentioned, no?
Yes.
So then you have to unbox the data. So you will unbox it. Okay, tell me one thing. In bucket number 2, I have kept all the other countries. So do I have to follow any order here?
No.
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 Else 2 means this can be random. Any way you can, in any order you can keep it. Okay. So now this bucket number 2 data I will copy. I will paste it. I will unbox. Bucket number 1 Russia. I will unbox. I will keep it here. Russia is on bottom.
Yes.
Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Now suppose I display this output to my manager. Manager is very happy that okay, fine, you have displayed and you kept Russia on bottom. Okay. But now my manager is saying you have to listen very carefully, guys. I need full concentration. If you're doing any other task, then you will not understand it. So please, during the class, focus on the lectures only and don't practice it simultaneously. I will share all these things after the class, then you can practice. Now, suppose the manager is telling that, okay, fine, you have put in Russia on the bottom, but then my concern is I want the remaining countries to be in ascending order and then Russia on bottom. Is this clear requirement?
Yes.
Yes.
Requirement is clear to everyone now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My manager is telling I want the remaining countries in ascending order and Russia on bottom, right?
Yes.
So for that, can you please help me? What modification I have to do in this query?
After end query, descending is there, right? Just comma, name.
Name.
Good, good. Perfect. Okay. Let me run this query. Tell me, is this as per the requirement of my manager?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here you could see Russia is on bottom and all other countries are in ascending order, right? Now let's try to debug this query, how it is working. So first of all, we have from country. From country means You will take a copy of the country table. So this is your country table. Now you guys explain me. Okay, from country I have done, then
Then it
Order
goes
by
Order by.
after from select will be
Select,
executed.
select,
Select, we selected this name. Then
order by
order by
sorting the data.
what is the meaning? What is the meaning?
Sorting.
Create bucket number 1
in
with
bucket
Russia.
number 1 Russia, and in bucket number 2 rest.
Keep Russia in bucket number 1. Okay, fine. Then
Bucket, rest of the data with bucket number 2.
But in the
the
top,
rest of the data in bucket number 2. Apart from Russia, what we have? And this rest of the data in bucket number 2. This is the one, right?
Yes.
yeah,
Then what is the meaning of and?
There is no condition.
There is no
condition.
any other condition.
There is no more condition. Okay, then I have written descending. What is the meaning of this?
Arrange the buckets in
Or in
descending order.
Descending order.
This descending means arrange the buckets in descending order. So
Descending
which
order.
bucket you will keep first?
Second
Two.
bucket.
second
Bucket, so
Bucket 2. Then
Bucket
Bucket
1.
bucket 1. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
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 Okay, after this.
Then within the bucket, we are doing
No,
ascending.
no. Then tell that we have name here. You see, during interview, listen to me. During interview, try to explain each and everything to the interviewer. So see, now imagine if you're explaining this query one by one, line by line, right, word by word. So you will get a very strong rapport during the interview. The interviewer will think that, oh, this guy has worked for a long time in SQL. That is why he knows each and everything. So during interview, try to explain each and every nut and bolt of the system. Okay. Then you have to tell that we have name column here. What is the meaning of this?
Sort the name in ascending order.
Ascending order in the bucket 2.
Sort the name within
buckets.
each bucket.
Bucket.
Within each bucket. In which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order. So in bucket 2, if you will sort in ascending order, which record you will keep first?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, then
India.
In India,
India,
Pakistan.
Pakistan, Russia,
Pakistan,
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, Russia, then last
Unity and Kingdom,
And then Russia.
Russia.
Please check, is this output same as your Indian output? This one?
Yes.
Yes.
So hope now you understood it.
Yes.
Shall we proceed further?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose your manager is telling, I want Russia on bottom. Okay. But all the other countries, the remaining countries in descending order. Is the question clear? I want
Yes.
Russia on bottom, but the
Yeah.
remaining countries in descending order.
Ascending order.
Is the question clear first of all?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me in this query what modification I have to do?
Just
Descending after
The
name.
name.
Add
the name.
descending beside.
Mm,
Add descending.
Descending, descending.
This one you're telling?
Yes.
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 Okay. Let me check the output. Please tell me, is this as per the expectation?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Russia is on bottom.
Yes.
when remaining countries are in descending order, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how this query is getting executed, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any question, anyone?
No.
No.
Shall we proceed further to the next scenario?
Yes.
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 Oh, okay, good. Now the question is, now listen very carefully. I'm showing you the second set of scenarios. Now the question is, we want to display India on top, then Russia, and then remaining countries in whatever order you wish. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to display India on top, then
Russia.
Russia, then remaining countries in whatever order you want. Hope it is
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
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 Okay. So for that, what I will do, on SQL, there is one thing which is very good. Like here, this query I have written in 2 lines, no? So even if you want, you can write this in a single line. Okay, you will get the same output. There is no restriction on the number of lines. If you want, you can write this in 3 lines, 4 lines, your wish. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
But what is the best practice?
Best practice is to break it in multiple lines as per the keyword. Now see, select is the one keyword I have written in 1 line, order by in another line. Okay, but when I will show you few more keywords, then I will tell you what is the best practice. Okay. Now you are at very early stage, so it is a bit difficult to explain each and everything. We'll show you one by one.
Sure.
And
Else I put.
okay, details we have written. We'll see. And I'm writing this query. Okay, and this is the query, and this is the output. First of all, tell me, is this output as per the requirement?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will try to understand this query, and I will not explain this. You guys have to explain. Yes, your time starts now. Tell me, first of all, which keyword?
It will start from
From country.
From
keyword. Country.
This is country. Okay, this is fine. Then
Select.
Then select. It will select the
Select.
table.
select the column.
Select the
This column
country.
name.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Order by.
Order by.
Order by.
order by. Then
Then name
Bucket.
equals to
Order by the
India.
buckets. Like
Where-
India will go in one bucket.
When name equals to India
Will be in one bucket.
in one bucket, then
Russia in second bucket.
It's condition, right?
yes, so India you will keep in first
Bucket
bucket,
one.
right?
First bucket.
Bucket.
Russia into
Russia in second bucket.
I kept India in one first bucket, then
Russia in second
Russia in
bucket.
third
Russia is
bucket.
second bucket.
Russia in second bucket. Where is Russia? Russia in second bucket, then
And the
remaining
all are
countries
in
will be in
third
third.
is in third bucket.
Third bucket.
else three remaining countries in
Third bucket.
Third bucket.
okay. I kept remaining countries in third bucket. Then and
Condition is closed.
And condition.
condition is closed. Okay. After and have I written ascending or descending?
No.
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 No. So in which order you will sort it?
Ascending
Ascending.
order.
Ascending.
order.
Okay.
Bucket
So
1,
which
2, 3.
bucket?
One.
Bucket one will be
One.
on top.
Yeah.
Then
Bucket 2.
Then
bucket
bucket
two.
Two.
Then
Bucket 3.
Bucket
Three.
Bucket 3.
are you sorting the data within each bucket?
No.
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 No. So then unbox it. India,
Russia.
Russia,
Remaining countries.
Pakistan.
remaining countries in any order, right?
Yes.
Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
So here in this example, how many buckets we have created?
3
Three
buckets.
buckets.
So it is as per the requirement. You can create any number of buckets. There is no restriction. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, in this question, if the manager is telling that, okay, India is on top, Russia you have displayed after India, that is good. But manager is telling the remaining countries I want in ascending order, then
After the end, we have to keep name.
after end you will write name, right?
Name.
Right.
Yes.
Now I think you all have understood this. You are comfortable,
Yes.
right?
Right.
Yeah. Name.
So check the output. India, Russia,
Russia,
are the remaining
Afghanistan.
countries in ascending order?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'll take a break here. It's 8:10 on my machine. We'll be back at 8:20. Okay.
Okay.
So Tanvir, good morning. Sorry, Jayant here. I could not join because I had a power cut issue.
No issues, no issues, yeah, no issues. We'll connect at 8:20. Okay, no issues.
Okay. So did we set up that or it is done?
Yeah, we have done it. We have done it.
It is just same, right? I have to go to that link and just pay the amount with email ID
Correct,
and
correct.
mobile number.
Yes. Same
Okay.
as that.
Okay.
So hope it is clear so far. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hope you understood so far about order by and how we can use case within order by, then the concept of buckets, sorting it ascending or descending order, right? Shall I proceed further?
Yes.
Okay, now, okay, I will again go back to the same question and I will request, please go on mute, guys. You're not speaking. Thank you. Now, suppose I will again start the basic question. Suppose the question is to keep India on top. Okay. So this is the query, right? To display India on top.
Yes.
Yes.
You all know, correct?
Yeah.
Let me run it. You see, India is on top,
Yes.
right? Okay. Now listen very carefully, and I hope everyone is back. Okay. Now suppose if I will write, or the question is it mandatory to always assign India in bucket 1 and the remaining in bucket 2? Can I write here 4? Can I write here 20? Is this allowed? Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
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 That is also a question, right? That is this mandatory that always we have to use bucket 1 and 2? I want to keep India in bucket 4 and the remaining countries in bucket 20. Is this allowed? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So let me run this, and this is yes, this is allowed. Check the output. Are you getting the same output?
Yes.
Yes.
India is on top. So in this case, what will happen? Same concept is there. First of all, from country. So this is your country table. Where is the country table? This is your country table. Okay. Then in this order by case, order by means to sort the data. You're keeping India in which bucket?
4.
Bucket number 4. You will keep India. Else 20 means what?
Remaining data will be in bucket number 20.
20.
Remaining countries will be in bucket number 20. Okay. Then you have end. End means there is no more condition. This is the end of condition. Okay. After end, have you written anything ascending or descending?
No.
No.
No. Then what is the default order?
Ascending order.
Ascending. So which bucket you will keep on top?
4.
Bucket number 4. And this will be on top. And then this one. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So now you will unbox and you will get India on top and all other countries in this order. So actually from this example, I want to prove that it is not mandatory to use bucket 1 and 2 only. You can write any bucket, your wish.
Yes.
Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have one more question. Hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have another question. You have to think and then answer. Okay. Don't tell randomly anything. think over this and then give me the answer. My question is, if I will shuffle it, means if I will keep India in bucket number 20 and the remaining countries in bucket number 4, then what will happen?
India will be in last
Okay.
and rest of the data will be in
Last mean
top.
India will be within 20 buckets, and then
Hmm.
remaining records will be
Four
uh,
bucket.
bucket 4.
Okay. Okay. Let's first analyze it. So India will be in which bucket?
Bucket
Second
number
bucket.
In bucket
20.
20,
Bucket
right?
number 20.
So India will be in bucket number
20.
20. Else 4. Remaining countries in which bucket?
4.
4.
So this remaining countries will be in bucket number 4, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you have end. End means this is the last condition. After end, have you written anything?
No.
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 It means this will be sorted in which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending.
Ascending.
Ascending order. So which bucket you will keep first?
Number 4.
20.
4.
Number 4. So this bucket will be on top. And then this bucket.
Second.
So you will unbox it.
Yes.
Are you getting India at the bottom?
Yeah.
Please check the output now. I'm running it. Do you have India at bottom?
Yes.
So you understood this game, guys, of buckets and numbering, ascending, descending.
Yeah.
Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed further?
Yes.
Just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. 2 minutes. Okay. So now I want to show you another example. So far everything is clear, guys, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Now,
Tanvir,
yeah.
yeah. So can I put the bucket number as alphabet?
I will come to that. We'll discuss it. Just give me some time.
Okay. Yeah.
If I'm writing this query, then what will be the output? It will throw error message, or India will be on top, or no data form. What do you think? Else part is missing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
then what will happen? Any idea?
It will throw error.
So error, okay.
India will be on top.
India will be on top and remaining will be normal.
India will be on top, remaining will be normal. Okay.
And
Any
then
other
one
thought?
hand. This is just one bucket, sir.
Mhm.
India and then one hand.
Okay.
India
See,
then,
Only
Hmm.
India will be displayed, seems to.
Yes.
okay. So here the main thing is, and the difference between this query and all the previous queries is, here I have not used that else part, right? That is the
Yes.
only difference, correct?
Yes.
And that is where we are getting confused, that if I have not mentioned else, then how engine will treat the remaining countries? First of all, may I request to go on mute, guys? In background noise system. Okay, thank you. That is the confusion, correct? Now listen the concept. The concept is else part is not mandatory. Is this clear? Else part is not mandatory. Fine.
Okay. Yes.
So if you will execute this query, SQL engine will place India in bucket number 1. That is clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Now the question is, what about the remaining countries? The remaining countries, you have not given any instruction what to do. So for the remaining countries, engine will keep them in a dummy bucket with any number as per the engine wish. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. But that numbering will be greater than 1. No, not understood. Not understood. Let me run this query first. This is not good. Now let's try to understand. See, this is the query, right? From this query, it is clear that India has to be in first. That is clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
India you will place in bucket number 1. Now the question is, what about this remaining countries, right? So have you mentioned any condition, any instruction about the remaining countries what to do?
No.
No.
No, you have not given any instruction. Then engine will assign a dummy bucket to this. And that dummy bucket will be greater than 1. So let's say it is 2. Okay.
Okay.
Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
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 That is why India will be on top and all this will be after India. So from this, what we understood, else part is not mandatory. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Hope it is clear to everyone.
yeah.
Yes.
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 Okay, now, shall I proceed further if it is clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
A small query.
Yes.
So by default, the engine will take the dummy bucket greater than, greater than the bucket 1.
Yes. Whatever you will write here, no, suppose if I will write here 100. So
It will
India
take 1 or
will
1
be in
like
bucket. Correct.
Right, got it.
India will be in bucket number 100. So the remaining countries will be in the second consecutive buckets. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I will take a pause here. Tell me one thing. How you're finding this order by this concept so far? Because I have to design the course accordingly. Is it complicated, difficult to understand, confusing, lengthy, not able to understand? How it is so far?
No, very understanding, Tanvir, every part of it.
Understanding. Okay.
Yeah, we are able to understanding, but we need to do more practice actually to understand these many
Uh-huh.
concepts.
Practice you have to do for sure.
Yes.
You have to get your hand dirty because SQL or any programming language, SQL, Python, Unix, anyone,
Yes.
you have to practice. Only theory will not help. But that is fine. You can keep on practicing and practice it. But concept wise, because I know, okay, in this group, can you raise your hand? How many already know SQL? No one knows. Okay. Fine.
We know SQL, but not to the extent that you are teaching.
Basic SQL we know.
So actually what happened, maybe for the first time, many of you would have seen that I'm using case in order by. Earlier, you might have not used it. Possible. But please don't think that this is out of syllabus. No, this is a very important thing. So down the line, I'll be teaching you many concepts which you will think it is out of syllabus, but nothing is out of syllabus. This all will help you if you're going for data analyst or data engineering job profile. Okay, so fine, if you're able to understand, good. But if you think it is getting complicated, let me know. I will reduce the complexity of it. Okay.
Yeah, for
Now,
me, I knew order by, but how you let us understand, I didn't know that way. And now I
okay,
feel
open. Now it is clear, right?
yes. Thank you.
Okay, perfect, good. Okay, now this query, I think we have started our discussion with this query yesterday, right? I've given 1,
Yeah.
then 2 and all those things, right?
Yes.
We have started our discussion yesterday and today as well with this query. Now the question is, I have given here bucket number 1, bucket number 2, and then I have shown you that it is not mandatory to always write bucket 1 or 2. Your wish, you can write bucket 4, bucket 20, or bucket 100, 200, 500, your wish. You can play with that. Okay, there is no such rule that you have to give only bucket number 1 or 2. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Now my question is, okay, think carefully, then answer. And the question which I'm going to ask you now, you all know the answer for that, but you have to think a little bit. Okay. If I will write here this one, instead of numbers, I'm giving alphabets here. Then if I will execute, what will be the output?
In this case, India will be on
India
the
will be on the top.
top. Rest will be at the second bucket. B.
India will be on top.
A, it will be
A.
not number, it will be A and B. India
Yeah.
will be bucket A into the bucket A, and then rest record will be B.
Okay, let's try to understand this. When name is equal to India, then A. What is the meaning of this? We want to keep India. We want to keep India in which bucket?
A.
Bucket number A.
A.
Right? India in bucket A. I kept India in bucket A. Remaining countries in which bucket?
B.
B.
Remaining countries in bucket B. Okay. So far clear? Okay. Now in ascending order, which one will be on top? Bucket A or bucket B?
Bucket A.
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 Bucket A. Now listen. Actually, what happens? your engine will convert this A to its ASCII value. What is the ASCII value of A?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Something 65, right?
965, yeah.
You don't have to remember it. Your answer is correct that A will be on top and B will be after that. Your answer is correct. But I'm telling how engine executes it. Engine will find the ASCII value of A. So let ASCII of A on dual. What is the value of A? 65. And then B will be 66. So it will internally convert this A to 64 and this B to 66. Okay. Now in ascending order, 65 will be on top, right?
Yes.
And then 66, correct?
Yes.
So this will be the output. Let me run this query. Is this clear? India is on top.
Yes.
And all other countries after that. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me for this. Yeah.
But we have to careful when it's coming the alphabets, right?
Yes. You have to be careful. You're right. What about this? If I will write this as Z and this as A, then what will be the output?
India will be on top.
India will be down.
Down, bottom.
Z or 2.
First we
Z,
find
this
the
is Z.
SCZ. Is it
India
ASCII
will be
value?
second. India will be second bucket. Else is the first bucket.
India will be in the bucket Z, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And the remaining countries will be in bucket A.
Yes.
How you're sorting these buckets?
Ascending order.
Ascending.
So which bucket will be on top, A or Z?
Top.
A will be on top,
It will be on top.
followed by Z.
Correct. So remaining countries will be on top and India will be the bottom, right?
Bottom.
Check the
Right.
output. Operator is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. What about this?
India will be on
India will
top.
be top.
Remaining will be down.
At last.
India will
But-
be down.
But they both are A, no? They both are same then.
But the
But ASCII value is
ASCII value is
different.
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 Good. So
Capital
ASCII of
65.
this capital A is 65 and the lowercase a is 97, I think. But
57.
anyway, you don't have to remember it. The
97.
uppercase ASCII has lower value than lowercase. Okay, so that is why India will be on top and all other countries will be after that. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Just last scenario I will want to cover and then this order by will be over. And if you have any other scenario, we can discuss last scenario. What about this? What about this? What about this?
Still India will be same output will be. Because first check the condition for India in term.
So here India you will keep in bucket A, right?
Yeah.
Remaining also bucket
Remaining will come under that India. Remaining.
The remaining also in bucket A, correct?
Yes.
So here literally speaking, all the countries will be in the same bucket A, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Or let's do one thing. Let's keep Russia here. That will be more clear. Okay. Now check the output. Now what you understood from this? I executed this query and this is the output. What you understood from this?
So it is
Confused,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. So it is sorting randomly.
Randomly only. Let's try to understand it. This is the output. This is the output. Let's try to understand this. You are keeping Russia in which bucket?
Capital A.
Absolutely.
You're keeping Russia
Face bucket. A.
in bucket A, right? Okay, correct.
Yes.
Then you have written else A. What is the meaning of this else A?
Put us in.
Remaining countries
Bucket
in
A.
the same bucket A. So all these remaining countries will be in the same bucket A, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Now end. End means after that you want to sort this bucket in ascending order, but you have only one bucket, so there is no concept of sorting in ascending order, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now within this bucket, are you sorting data?
No.
No.
No. So that's why this output will be purely in random order.
Okay.
That is why you see output here. This is purely in random order. Correct? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose if I will write here comma name. Okay. Now check the output. Now what you understood from this?
So all the
Ascending
data
order.
in the final bucket will be in ascending order.
Yes. Now like this data and this bucket is sorted in ascending order because you have mentioned here comma name. Comma name means the data which is present in this bucket, please sort that in ascending order. Hope it's clear now.
Yes.
So I have covered possibly all the scenarios of order by. If you have any new scenario, you can tell me now. Do you want to discuss any scenario?
We can use special characters also, right?
Yes, you can play with the special characters. You can try it. You can use special characters as well.
And even it will get the each ASCII values for that.
Correct, correct. Special characters also have ASCII value. Let me show you that. I'm finding the ASCII value of A here now. Let me show you the ASCII of a special characters. Suppose take at the rate. Okay. Take the ASCII value 64. Okay. You take anyone. Star 42, right? They all have ASCII value. Let's take a space. 32.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Any other questions? See, that is why it is very important to understand the things from the internal working of engine. Now, hope you would have realized that if you understood each and every word of this, then now you are answering the question, right? So now interviewer cannot confuse you. He can give any scenario. Now you know the core concept. You can answer, right? Shall I proceed further? Do you have any question?
So just to confirm,
Hmm.
you have mentioned the country in the top and bottom. Can you mention
Hmm.
that in the middle? For example, if you have 7 rows, then the middle
Hmm.
one would be the 3, right? I mean, in between that, middle
For
one, like that.
that also you can do, but for that I have to explain the concept of the row number. So and that will cover in the window function. So please remind me once I will cover the window function now. Please remind.
Sure.
And guys, many a time it will happen. Like suppose, no 1 minute. This is the agenda now. This is the agenda, right? So many a time it will happen. Like I am teaching you, suppose this upper here lowercase, okay, and maybe you will be having question from this keyboard having. So in that case, I will not jump from here to here. The reason is many of you are very new to the SQL, right? So you will get confused that what happens suddenly Tanvir will start explaining this, correct? So I have to maintain that order. But yes, if you have any question related to that, so you can stay on call once the call is over. Then you can ask any question from anywhere. Okay, we can discuss it. But during the class, I try to maintain that flow so that those who are very new to this, they should not get confused because the SQL is one of the really uh, not tough, I will tell, because it needs your logical understanding. Okay. And if anything is wrong here, you will get incorrect output. You have to be very you have to be very careful here. So that is why if I will break the sequence, sometime what happens, the participants, they think that, oh, this is very complicated and they feel frustrated. Okay, so I have to maintain the flow. Shall I proceed further, guys?
Yes, Tanvir.
Okay. Next example. With the master SQL combination. Master SQL value. I'm searching for some good examples, a simple one which I can show you now. Else I have to prepare the data. This is good example. This is good example. Okay. If you understand the things from basics of any language, it will be simple. Now see, this is an employee one table. Okay. Select a start from employee one. This is employee one table, and this is the data. Now suppose here my manager is asking me that Tanvir, show me the details of those employees who are working in tech department. Is that question clear? My manager is telling, I want to see the details of only those employees who are working in tech department. All right. So here we have to use filter, correct?
Yeah.
And which keyword acts as a filter in SQL?
Where?
Where? Good. I will write here where. On which column you want to apply filter?
Tech department.
Department. And what value you are searching?
Tech.
Tech, right? So this is the query. And this is the output. Is this correct output?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Is this correct output, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let's try to understand this flow. In this query, which keyword you will execute first?
From.
From.
Okay. From means what? Search the employee one table from the database and take a copy of it, right? So from is done. Next.
Where?
Select or where? Where? Then we have where.
Department.
Where means what?
Filter. Filtering.
Filter data.
Filter. On which column you want to apply filter?
Tech.
Department.
Oh, department, right? Department, correct.
Department column.
Department you want to apply filters. I've highlighted this department column. Okay. What you are searching here?
Tech.
Tech. So engine will check this one by one in each and every record.
Class.
So is this
Class eligible.
so is this check? Is this text? Yes, right?
Yes.
Selected. Is this text? Yes,
Yes.
selected. Is this text? Selected. Engine will go record by record.
Yes.
Is this text?
No.
No.
No. Rejected. Is this text? No.
No.
Rejected.
No.
Is this text? No.
No.
Rejected. So where task is over. After where which keyword?
Select.
Select.
Select. What is the task of select? To display.
Display the
Select means what?
Display the
display.
To display. So what you want to display here?
employee one.
Employee did.
A star.
Star.
What is the meaning of a star?
Select all.
All columns.
columns.
All the columns. All the columns you have to select. And which record you will display? The one which you have selected. So this will be the output. You are getting the same output here.
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Okay, now suppose. Okay, so far clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose my manager is telling that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you have displayed the employees who are working in tech department. This is correct, good. But I want you to display this in descending order of salary. Understood? I want you to display this in descending order of salary. Which means you have to sort the data.
Yeah.
So to sort the data, which keyword we will use?
Order by.
Order by.
Order by. Order by. Which column you want to sort?
Salary.
Salary.
Salary. In which order?
Descending.
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 Please check the output. Is this correct output?
Yes.
Yes.
Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose my manager is telling that Tanvir, show me only name and salary. I don't want department because I know this is from the tech department. Just show name and salary. Then what we will do? Remove a star and write name, comma,
Salary.
salary. So it will display you only name and salary.
Name and salary.
Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I will stop here and then we will continue further. But humble request, and today I will share few more assignment questions based on order by. And those questions will be having solutions as well, but don't refer the solution. Try on your own. But one humble request, I know you all are occupied in your personal and official commitments. If you're not getting time for assignments, make a habit of working on it at least one question on daily basis. And don't worry, even if the course is over, you have all the freedom, you can ask questions from us at any point of time. Okay, we have a dedicated group for that. That is the alumni group. I will share the link after 2-3 class. One thing which I want from you all is, before attending class, please revise the recordings of previous class. It is very important. Okay, because the concepts are interrelated. Okay, guys. So thank you. Thanks a lot. And please, the link which I have shared, no, that Graphy link, I want everyone to please register on it. You have to pay 49 rupees. I will refund. Okay, please register on it. And tomorrow we will take class on Graphy only. Okay. If you're getting stuck somewhere, you can connect with me. You drop a screenshot on your personal window or in the group directly. You drop. Better you drop in the group directly. Okay, I will answer there. Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.